Every great business is powered by data. And behind that data is someone who brings order to the chaos, a data entry professional. From entering vital information to ensuring accuracy, the role demands focus, speed, and attention to details. And today we're going to be exploring this data entry position. This is a 100% remote job opportunity, which means that you can actually do this from the comfort of your home. All right. The headquarters, Houston, Texas, United States. You don't have to live there. So this job doesn't have to be done from Houston. The headquarters is in Houston, but anybody can do this. It's 100% remote, okay? And they said we are seeking public relation manager to nurture a strong industry network, increase awareness, and develop an enviable corporate image by developing and executing effective communication and media relations program. Okay? And if you go here, you're gonna see other jobs posted by this headquarters. They keep, continuously updating their job. And you guys know, of course, the link will be shared at the comment section and the description post. All right. And this company is looking for a customer-oriented service representative. Okay. A customer service representative will act as a liaison, provide product service information, answer questions, and resolve any emerging problems that our customer accounts might face with accuracy and efficiency. In other words, this company is literally looking for a data entry specialist who can act as a customer service representative to answer customer questions, resolve any problems they may have, with accuracy and efficiency. All right. They said the best customer representative are genuinely excited to help customer. This is what is important to this company. Are you genuinely excited to help customer? This role might be it for you. Okay. Customer representatives are patient, they're empathetic, they're passionately communicative. They love to talk, understand the value of good communication skills. Customer service representative can put themselves in the customer's shoes and advocate for them when necessary. All right? Customer feedback is priceless. All right? So you want to take your time and go through this. This right here is the quality company wants from you. And this company, it's literally letting you know that they will rely on you for having accurate and updated data that are easily accessible through digital database. Okay, we are looking for a data entry clerk to type information into our database from paper document. So if you are given a paper document, they want you to type those information into the database. Lovelies, I don't think this is hard to do, especially for the fact that we all are using our phones every day. We are typing on the go. We are typing, sleeping, talking, we're all typing. All right? And here they make us to understand that the ideal candidate will be computer savvy and a fast typist, someone who types very fast with a keen eye for detail. You will report to a data manager or another senior data team member. All right? An understanding of data confidentiality principle is compulsory. Of course, wherever in any company you find yourself working today, data privacy is a must. It's compulsory. You cannot afford to divulge the company's information or clients' personal information to someone else. You have to keep that confidentiality confident. So the company will rely on you for having accurate and updated. We already talked about that. And they said the ideal candidate will be computer savvy and fast typist, okay, and all that. Lovelies, this is the responsibility. What are you going to do? Develop a marketing communication plan, including strategies, goals, budget, and tactics. Coordinate all public relation activities. Direct social media team to engage audience across traditional and new media. You want to take your time and go through all this. These are the responsibilities. Can you do it? Yes, I know you can do it. There's nothing stopping you. Create content for press release, byline articles, and keynote presentation. Evaluate opportunities for partnership, sponsorship, and advertising on an ongoing basis. So you want to just take your time and go through this to see if you can perform these responsibilities. Moving down is still talking about your responsibility. You're going to keep records of customer interaction, process customer accounts, and file document, follow communication procedures, guidelines, and policies, all of that. You are going to have this link in the description such that you want to click on it, come here, read through. If this sounds like what you are interested in doing, lovelies, go for it, okay? Go for it if this sounds like what you are interested in. What is the requirement? Proven working experience in public relations, proven track record designing and executing successful public relation campaign, strong relationship with both local and national business, exceptional writing and editing skills, taking record of overachieving quota. And look at this. So with all of those responsibility, all is required is high school diploma. That's why I told you that you can do it. Forget about what all the things that were listed. This is something you can do, all right? Great attention to details and all of that. All right, coming down to the benefit. Healthcare plan. This company is offering healthcare plan. They have medical, dental, and vision. Retirement plan. They have life insurance, the basic voluntary and all that. They have paid time off. They have family leave. They have short-term and long-term disability. They have training and development. You work from home, most importantly. There is free food and snack. There is wellness resources, stock option plan. Oh my God. So lovelies, after you've gone through this is where you want to apply.